Hi, I've got a complaint. Those words spoken by a customer or guest are guaranteed to give us a jolt of adrenaline. They're not comfortable to hear. Even when they're not aimed at us personally, we often feel like we're being attacked. And this is the first major trap of handling any complaint situation, the triggering of emotions, yours and the customer's. So our priority is to cool it down. But how? We must remember that a complaint is caused by an unmet need. It's a problem with an extra emotional charge. Yes, the problem needs to be fixed, but the good relationship can't be restored without addressing the emotional component. So first and foremost, you do so by focusing on the customer's needs and listening actively. Put yourself in their shoes. It's vital that you listen to establish the facts so that you can efficiently address the issue, but you're also giving them the opportunity to just express themselves. By giving them that respect, you've already begun working on diffusing the tension and restoring the relationship. The next great advantage of listening with empathy is that they will be telling you what they need most to feel better. They're giving you important clues, and you can use that information to structure your actions. You're like a doctor, listening to the patient's symptoms so that you can decide which medicine to prescribe first. Just breathe. Focus on what they need and remember that it's not about you personally. Breathe because it gives you time to think, and listen because it tells you what to think about. Now, you can begin to take action towards your common goal. The facts of every case will vary, but if you show that you've taken ownership and that you're committed to getting the best possible outcome as quickly as possible, you'll stand an excellent chance of getting their trust back. Keep them in the loop with any developments. Give them feedback that they can rely on and keep paying attention to their needs and emotions. They may even be more impressed with your product and service than before.